In this video, we review the American Express Business Checking Account. Have you used the American Express Business Checking Account before? What was your experience? Leave your American Express Business Checking review in the comments section below. American Express, a renowned financial services corporation, introduced its business checking account to cater to small and mid-sized businesses seeking comprehensive financial solutions. This account offers several advantages and disadvantages that potential users should consider. One notable benefit is the ability to earn membership rewards points through the checking account. This feature allows businesses to accumulate points on everyday transactions, which can be redeemed for various rewards, including travel, merchandise, or statement credits. Additionally, the account offers a competitive annual percentage yield, APY, on balances, providing businesses with an opportunity to earn interest on their deposits. The absence of monthly maintenance fees is another advantage, as it reduces the overall cost of banking for businesses. Furthermore, the American Express Business Checking Account provides a debit card that enables businesses to earn rewards on spending, enhancing the value of everyday purchases. The online-only nature of the bank ensures accessibility from anywhere, allowing businesses to manage their finances remotely. Moreover, businesses that are already American Express personal or business credit card holders can enjoy additional perks, such as streamlined account management and potential fee waivers. However, there are certain drawbacks to consider. The checking account is exclusively available to consumer card members who have maintained a card account for at least 3 months. This requirement may exclude some businesses from accessing the account. While the bank offers 24/7 customer service by phone, the online-only model may not appeal to businesses that prefer in-person banking services. Additionally, the account's features and benefits are primarily tailored to businesses that already utilize American Express credit cards, potentially limiting its appeal to a broader range of businesses. Some users have reported challenges with the bank's financial review process, expressing concerns about the handling of their accounts during reviews. This has led to feelings of mistrust among certain customers. Moreover, the online-only nature of the bank may not suit businesses that prefer face-to-face interactions with banking representatives. Lastly, while the account offers various benefits, some users have found it challenging to fully utilize all the features, suggesting that the account may require more effort to maximize its advantages. In conclusion, the American Express Business Checking Account presents a range of benefits, including the opportunity to earn rewards, competitive interest rates, and the absence of monthly fees. However, potential users should be aware of the account's eligibility requirements, the online-only banking model, and the need to be an existing American Express cardholder to fully benefit from the account. Businesses should carefully evaluate these factors to determine if the American Express Business Checking Account aligns with their financial needs and preferences.